Okay, the next part of our demonstration will actually enter an order. So clicking on New Order, and up comes a list of customers that we have loaded into the system. These are template orders for each customer. Let's just select a customer, open up their template, and here we go, ready to take an order on that customer. Now, what's showing is, of course, the customer name and address, phone numbers, contact information, their price level, monies due, current, overdue, an explosion of this information if you needed more information on what is owed, order details, and so on, date last paid. Now, the order template that comes up in this example is sorted by supplier, so we have Schweppes going down Fruity Fresh and so on. This is of course something that can be tailored to suit your individual tastes, and we have each product and alongside it up to 11 weeks additional history, and this helps the reps of course understand what products should be ordered, the frequency that products are ordered, and how many they buy. Now, the key to getting around a tablet system is navigation, of course. Now we have a few buttons around the place to help us with this. So you have page down, page down, page down, page back up again, and so on. There's a scroll bar out on the right hand side where you can simply scroll up and down. And to make it easier to see more information on the screen, there's a little button up here called maximum rows, and here we have then the maximum rows that can be viewed on the screen. Okay, so to take an order, it's just a matter of tapping into one of the cells, and that will put a 1 in. By tapping again, you'll get an additional 1, and so on. There's the ability, of course, with a keyboard to key in larger quantities if you needed more. Now, so that's an easy way to just simply get around your screen, and the orders are presented very similarly to the order forms that you previously had, and I'll just show you that. Before we had a form that looks something like this. Of course, it's printed out on paper, and the reps were able to go through and they knew the order in which products appeared on the form, and again simply marked the form to take the order. So what we're doing is something very, very similar to what they're used to, and therefore the amount of training that's going to be required in using the system is very, very minimal. In fact, I would suggest that they'll pick up the system in less than half a day. Okay, now let's look at more advanced searching facilities. Perhaps we're trying to find out where the Nestles group is on the form. Of course, we can scroll for it, or by simply clicking on suppliers, we look down the list, and in order down here we get the suppliers coming up. So here's Nestles Confectionery. Clicking on that brings it to the top of the screen, and then start keying in your order, Mars and so on. So that's a quick way around. Another way is to click on groups, and all the products come up sorted by group. You notice here the groups are in alphabetical order, and over on the left hand side we have the groups, and these are the groups as they appeared on the order form, starting at the top with soft drinks and snack foods at the bottom, because that was the way this was designed. So clicking either one will take us, say for example, straight to the Cadbury Schweppes confectionery section, and reviewing the lines, here they are. Now, a couple of extra buttons. Specials. We can program in the specials that we want the reps to be aware of, and offer them to the customers. So we can click on that button, and up come the promo specials that are available today. Ordering them is simply a matter of clicking on the form and then transferring them back to the order. Okay, so that's getting us navigating around, taking orders, and we'll just complete the order now. and just go save the order, and here it comes, and it's coming up telling us that the order is $3,500. 20 items were ordered, 121 was a count, and it took 4 minutes 41 seconds to take the order. Okay, and then we can just simply save the order and on with the next. So that ends the presentation for taking orders.